How to reset Fantasy Premier League password. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to reset Fantasy Premier League password. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To reset your password in Fantasy Premier League, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for fantasy.premierleague.com. You will be led to the login portal of Fantasy Premier League. Tap on the Forgot Password option you see there. You will then be asked to enter your email address. So go ahead and enter your email address and further tap on the Reset My Password button. You will now receive a reset password mail in the email address you just entered. So go ahead and open the mail sent by Premier League. Once open, tap on the Change Password button and you will now be allowed to set a new password. So go ahead and enter a new password and re-enter your new password. Make sure to meet your password requirement, that is, your password must include at least 8 characters, a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, at least one number, and at least one special character. Once you are done entering your password, re-enter your password and tap on the Change My Password button, and with this your password will be changed in Fantasy Premier League. So, this is how you can reset Fantasy Premier League password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Giant for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.